square x cos x dx minus integrate cos x dx. Understand?
Yes.
Okay? Integrate cos x. No problem, right?
No. Cosec negative cosecant x square. Hey, no.
Minus CSC square.
Integrate cot x. No problem, right?
Yes. Log sin x.
Okay? So this one, no issue.
Yes.
This one, no issue. Understand?
Yes.
So now our problem lies with this one. Do you understand?
Yes.
So if let's say this one itself can be a question. Okay, they can ask a question like this from this one itself. Because it's not straightforward, you need to use someone used 3 paper. Alright? So now we come back to here. Integrate cosecant square x cot x dx. Okay? Alright?
Yeah.
When you given like this, first, okay, integrate, right? Integrate, there are few methods to integrate. One is the simple integration, that means you directly substitute.
Yeah.
Directly just math table, right? Second one is integration by
Substitution.
so before that integration by
Difference.
substitution. Third one is integration by part. Integration by substitution, there are two different kind of questions. Okay?
Back here. Diploma.
Integration by substitute can something like this. That means function inside a function. Okay. This one also you use integration by substitution. Okay. You make the u is equivalent to 2x plus 1, right? Understand? Or else also we can use substitution for this kind of expression, which are basically it's not here. I think tutorial they haven't done. Okay? Anyway. So that means because you cannot use integration by part. Why? Both these are what kind of expression? Trigo question, right? In order to use integration by part, you must have LIATE, right? Different one. But both these belong to Trigo. Sleepy, tired? Okay? Both these are Trigo. Okay, so you only can use, so you cannot do by parts. Okay? By part is not a possibility. So we can use settle down. Okay? So only way to do is integration by substitution. Okay? So how to do it? Integration by substitution to apply. You must have these two related by either by differentiation and integration. Okay, so you can look at the math table, roughly browse through. You will realize when you integrate. When you integrate cosecant square x, you get secant x, right? Okay. Sorry. If you integrate cosecant square x, you get cot x. That means if you differentiate cot x, okay? That means if you differentiate cot x, you will get negative cosecant square x, right? So this way we can basically substitute as u is equivalent to cot x. Okay? So what's the next step? Yes? du over dx. Cot x is?
Minus CSC square.
Yes? Minus CSC, Civil Service College, yes. Secant square x. Okay?
Dx is subject.
Alright? Then, no. So what we need to do? We have to wait until here. So why we need to write this one as u? We need to rephrase this one in a simpler form, right? So here we replace u as cot x. What if you rewrite this expression? Integrate, instead of cot x you write u. Okay? Now what is left? Cosecant square and
Cosecant square.
dx, right? So that means if you integrate u, it must be with respect to du. So that means we have somehow rewrite this one to get du. So what is du?
Cosecant
Minus cosecant square x
over dx.
dx. And for us,
Oh.
lucky for us, this is what exactly left over here, right? So basically what is left over from this expression is cosecant square x dx. Understand? So this one basically can replace with du. You understand? No.
Oh my god.
You understand? Or understand? You understand? To some extent similar. I will do another similar question in the.
What is the sticker? What is the sticker?
This one. Because we want to simplify this one. Oh, okay. Okay. Let me. Okay. I get what you mean. Okay. Let me rewrite in a different way. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So what are the rules of substitution? You make u as cot x, right? Okay. So du over dx. Du over dx. Yes. Du over dx.
What me? You.
Tell me. What is the next step? You make dx the subject. Let's go ahead like that. Du over minus cosecant square x. Now substitute back this to here. Okay? So what happened? Then after that we can rewrite this. You can see, right? Integrate cosecant square x. Cot x is equal to u. U instead of dx you write du over minus cosecant square x. Cosecant square x and cosecant square x will cancel. So what is left is u integrate u du over minus 1. So we just take it, integrate as minus 1. Do you understand now?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yes.
If I rewrite like, do you understand? Okay.
Wait. Sure.
Huh?
Can you? Is the left side?
Oh, okay. Understand? You understand?
Oh.
It's a substitution. Just make the dx. It's just a different way of rewriting. It's still it's dx. You substitute for dx. Okay? Then integrate u du. What do you get? You integrate u du. What do you get? No, you have to integrate first, right? What do you get? No, not yet. You have to integrate u with respect to du. What do you get when you integrate x dx? What do you get when you integrate x dx? X square divided by 2. So same thing, when you integrate u, it becomes minus u square divided by 2. Okay, now this one we plug back into here. This one. Okay, So u square will be, then we can replace this u with cot x, right? So it become minus cot square x divided by 2. Then we plug this back to here. So now when you integrate this one, you get minus cot square x divided by 2 minus, when you integrate cot x, you get ln sin x. Oh, sorry. We got, this is the one just now we did. This part is the one that just now we did over here, right? So now we substitute, we have to bring it over here. It takes a lot of steps. Yeah, it's not straightforward.
Jadi this should be 20 marks.
7 marks. This is the final answer. Yeah. Is it correct? Is it the final answer? Should be. Cannot simplify further than that.
Yeah, can you Jawan see the other way?
Huh?
I'll see the other way.
You want to see the other paper?
Yeah, whatever. You're also working.
I got this real trust. I think you're looking at me.
Oh my god. Boss the shit.
Huh?
I mean,
Yeah, negative cone, right? Huh?
left me. You don't left it outside.
Negative cone?
I didn't know you.
Oh, okay, okay.
You just left it on me equal.
Because this is negative, yeah. This is negative, so it's negative.
I was not thinking. Still letting go.
Any question?
I think there's no question to be asked actually. So what is funny like that is not repeat.
Sure. Then why initially you find du? On the left side. What do you find du?
You differentiate. You define u as cot x as u, right? Then you differentiate. Because that's why I said when you come to this stage, you realize this particular step. You see?
Yeah.
At this particular step, you see, these two are basically, you see, integrate cosine, cos x square, cot x dx, right? When you come to this stage, you should know that there is some relationship between these two. There should be some technique we use. What are the two techniques we use?
Substitution.
Either substitution or bypass. Bypass, it should have two different expressions. That means LIAT, right? It should be have log inverse tan,
Trigo, exponential.
But these both are trigo. So you can't use bypass. So you only can use substitution.
You didn't study it,
Okay? Understand?
Yeah.
I asked you a question. I gave you a, I show you a photo from
usually like last.
just now I showed you, 19 years ago. Right?
Yeah, listen.
You see whether any familiar face, okay?
I didn't know study.
This photo was taken in GP.
Holy shit.
I didn't study.
Come here, come this way.
People used to meet to study.
Can recognize anyone?
You understand?
I didn't know the express.
Zoom in.
Zoom
Zoom in, zoom in.
Just like.
You following the mechanics?
Ja, zoom in.
Yeah, this is very
Zoom in.
Teacher do the short in school, right? Teacher do the short method. They come use question. Is that like a short method? No, no, the short like you can't take 35.
Yes, but I rather do the longer because I will confused if I do longer. If I do this.
Anyone had any great
Express, express.
Which one are you? What are you? What are you? Left or the right?
The one who takes photos.
I mean, you go, you pass, you get it.
You see, auditorium 2, if you go now, you know there's auditorium 2, right? When you come from the entrance, there's a right side, 21, left side, 22. If you go there, it's exactly the same. You will still see the same flowers here, the curtain.
Hey bro, stop.